How to make money online. What's going on, guys? Dream Money is here with a video. And today, I'm going to show you how to make money online. I'll also be showing you the 8 best methods to do that. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus method that can make you even more money online. So, if you're ready to get started, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Method number 1. Instagram theme pages. These are pages that are focused on a specific subject. It's best to find an undervalued Instagram theme page because it's very hard to grow from nothing. I would only buy pages with active followers and continue to grow them by posting regularly. Method number 2. Selling items on Facebook or Instagram. This is a great way to sell things. Method number 3. Make videos on YouTube or another social media platform. An easy way to get started with this is to create simple unboxing videos. The key is to reach out to the companies and get an affiliate link so that if someone chooses to buy through your link, the company will give you a commission in return. Method number 4. Video editing. If you have a computer, then you probably have some video editing software. Apple Macs are great as they come with iMovie. Method number 5. Start an e-commerce business. You could consider Amazon or dropshipping. With both, you don't need a department store. You can get started with just a laptop. Method number 6. Sell products that you no longer use at home. You can take a picture of it and put it on a sales app to make sure it's safe for both. Method number 7. Freelance. If you have a portfolio, or not everyone has to start somewhere, you can either go directly to your clients or offer graphic design services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork that already have a huge marketplace. Method number 8. Creating a blog. All you need to do is write and create your content on your blog, or sell your products and putting ads. Bonus method number 9. Social media management. Many people don't know how social media works. This is where you step in and help them manage their page. But now, if you're not really a fan of any of these methods, and you want to check out my number 1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description and get started today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.